Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal protein using an easy method. First, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of water or milk in a saucepan or microwave-safe bowl. Cook over medium heat on the stovetop, stirring occasionally, or microwave for about 2 minutes, until the oats are creamy and have absorbed the liquid. This creates a perfect, warm base for your protein-packed breakfast. Once your oatmeal is cooked, remove it from the heat. Now, it's time to add the protein. Stir in 1 scoop, which is typically around 20 to 25 grams, of your preferred protein powder. Whether you use whey, casein, or a plant-based option, make sure to mix it thoroughly until no clumps remain. This ensures a smooth, delicious, and protein-rich meal. To further boost your protein and add delicious flavor, consider these additions. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite nut butter, like peanut or almond, for healthy fats and an extra protein kick. For even more creaminess and protein, mix in 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Finally, sprinkle on some chia seeds or flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. The beauty of protein oatmeal is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different fruits like berries or sliced banana, and spices such as cinnamon or nutmeg. You can also add a touch of maple syrup or honey for sweetness. Consider preparing a larger batch to enjoy quick, healthy breakfasts all week long. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oatmeal water bottle and other great deals to help you stay energized and hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.